All right, so in this video, once again, we're going to start with a bivariate visualization, but the difference is that this time we have two variables. One is numeric or integer, and the other one is a categorical variable or a factor. And the plotting option for this is a box plot. Let's start with ggplot. First of all, the function. Okay, now I'm mentioning the data, which is retail. And I'm defining the X and Y axis or the aesthetics. X, let's say we want to put approval on the X axis, and we want to put age on the Y axis. Okay, and what shape or geometry am I going to use? I said I'm going to use a box plot. Now, if I do a control enter, I can always click on the plot and see 1 is the category of people who did not get approvals and 0 is the category of people who got approvals. If we compare the medians, which is the middle 50%, you can see that there is a difference in the median of these two groups. It's an aggregate picture of the overall data that you see here. Both do not have outliers. I don't see any extreme values in these plots. But when I compare those who got approval versus those who did not get approval, I can see the median of people who did not get approval was relatively high. So they were of relatively higher age compared to the people who got approvals. We can always go ahead and do a little more formatting here. Let's say I want to add a color, and let's say the color that I want to put here is as per the approval. This will, if you remember, change the outline of these box plots. Let's just run that, and here's what we get. Looks slightly better. Maybe this will look even better if I change this to fill. Yeah, looks better. We can always zoom in and see if this is the way we want the plot to look like. All right, so in the next video, we'll be talking about visualizing two variables when both are categorical in nature.